Okay, we've got everything cleaned up. Got a little paint on our frame sections there. Our new piece is about ready to go in. The spots where the welds will go are cleaned up. Cleaned up the fresh paint I put on there. And we're about ready to put this on. And then this raggedy old piece here, well, guess it'll go to scrap. This will be a whole lot nicer and neater, and it'll keep the radiator sitting straight like it's supposed to. Okay, it's looking good. Let's get to welding.